This is why you need to know about Trump's new travel ban. Here's what it means for you. The proposed travel ban targets several countries, citing national security threats. On the red list are Sudan, Venezuela, Somalia, Syria, Yemen, Iran, Libya, Cuba, and North Korea. Expected additions include Pakistan and Afghanistan. The executive order, signed on January 20th, 2025, aims to protect against individuals posing terrorist threats or exploiting immigration laws. Previous bans in 2017 affected Muslim-majority countries and were reversed in 2021. Experts warn American travelers may face increased harassment in targeted countries. The American Society of Travel Advisors highlights potential business and tourism impacts. The status of current visa holders remains uncertain. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.